Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. I know it's been a while since I posted. I had a couple of problems. I'll talk about them as we go to our destination. Let me just get through this, get a free road. Then we'll talk about why I didn't post for so long. Happy New Year, by the way. I know it's been like a month since the New Year. I'm going somewhere towards Kolar, make a highway stop over there. The first thing for the delay was that I had to get a number plate because the cops had pulled me over once. Second thing was to get the number plate. It took a while. My dealer had the plate, but he took quite some time to send it over. And the third thing was, I had filmed a video at the start of the month, but I couldn't post that because my audio was completely gone. There was complete static sound whenever I sped up. So when I checked the mic adapters, just a small wire. The C-type pin was bent a little bit, so because of that the audio was completely gone. Then I had to look for a replacement because the mic adapter I had wasn't from India, and I tried a couple of stuff, didn't work. Because of that I got delayed a bit, so I just got the mic adapter which I was using at the start when I got the DJI. The audio quality isn't as good as before, but it sounds alright, good enough. I can edit a bit so that it sounds similar, I guess. I don't know. Yep, there's a lot of wind blast. Oh, finally, the bike is breathing now. AGV doesn't really help with wind blast a lot. It's one of the most, wind consuming helmet. But then it's not really made for vlogging or anything. It's more like it's completely track based helmet. I guess wind blast, if you want, complete wind shutdown. I mean, there's no helmet that gives complete wind shutdown or anything, but better than the AGV, it would be like the Japanese helmets. They're pretty good, I would say. I think even Alpine Star is good with wind blast. In Japanese, I think it's Arai and Shoei that are just top notch. Finally, I'll be able to post again. And this year I'll try to post as much as I can, even though I haven't posted for a month. Ow, 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 that hurt. That hurt. You guys can imagine where it hit, but yeah, that hurt. The bike almost took off. Oh my. It's a bit foggy and windy and sunny. I don't know. This road is good, like pretty good. That's a pretty good view. Yep. So yeah, the battery just died. I put a charged one in. Like I was saying, there's a lot of super bikes and supercars that come over here, but on the weekends. So yesterday probably they had a lot of super bikes over here. Not sure about supercars, you never know. Fine, then I'll have something to eat and then we'll film the ride back home. Alright guys, we're leaving now. I know the mic will be taking a lot of wind blast because of the mic adapter, but you know, something is better than nothing. I should go to some meets this year. I haven't really gone to any meets last year, so maybe this year I'll try to go to some meets. Alright guys, more videos coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe. Peace.